Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access QuickBooks Desktop remotely. We'll cover the different ways you can connect to your company files from anywhere, ensuring your business operations remain smooth and efficient. Understanding these options will help you choose the best solution for your specific needs, whether you're working from home or on the go. Let's dive into the methods available. There are a few primary ways to access QuickBooks Desktop remotely. You can opt for a hosting service, which moves your QuickBooks to the cloud, offering great flexibility. Another common method is setting up a remote desktop protocol, or RDP, connection to your office computer. Alternatively, various third-party remote access software solutions provide secure and user-friendly ways to connect. Security is paramount when accessing your financial data remotely. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Make sure your network is secured with a robust firewall to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, regularly backing up your QuickBooks company files is essential to safeguard your valuable business information against any unforeseen issues. Choosing the right remote access solution depends on your specific business needs and budget. Weigh the pros and cons of each method, considering factors like ease of use, security features, and cost. If you have a complex setup or prefer expert assistance, consider consulting with professional IT support. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.